If you are changing colors in the round and you are experiencing a little jog like this, I have the solution for you. So you can see that these corners are not quite matching up with each other, right? They should be more like this. And this is called a jog right here. So this only happens when you are knitting in the round and changing colors. And now I've already knit a row with the new color. So I was doing pink here, then I switched one row to white. So now here on the second row, you have to pick up the leg of the stitch just below the first one on your needle. So what you want to do is pick up this right leg of the stitch right below the one that's on your needle. So you go in through the back, pick it up and just put it on your needle. And then you just knit them together. But that will pull the stitch up from the bottom and make that more even. Because when you're knitting in the round, you're not knitting like rings on top of each other. You're knitting like a slinky, like a spiral. So that's why it isn't like quite level. I'll show it to you again. You only have to do it in that one spot, but just for demonstration. You pick up this leg, put it on the needle, and then knit them together. And you don't have to do it on any rows after that, unless of course you've changed colors again.